Oh wow! This is amazing. I can't wait to go shopping. Hi, hello?
Hi, Blathnaid, I need your help.
Hi, how are you?
Oh yeah, I'm doing fine, but that's not the point. Are you busy?
Oh,
You sound kind of busy.
I've got a temperature, so I'm just sitting by the window. I've got the window open here. There's traffic outside.
Okay, well, I'm here in the Gaeltacht, and there's this girl across from me, and she's an absolute really nice person, and I just really want to talk to her, but she doesn't understand me. Can you give me some Oscuelga so I can actually talk to her?
You want to chat up line? Okay, well, this is a good one. Tá gruig shafoiduk agum.
Tá gruig shafoiduk agum.
Shafoiduk.
Shafoiduk. What does that actually mean?
It just means that you think her hair is really beautiful and shiny. It's a nice compliment, like.
It's amazing, because that's exactly what I'm feeling right now. Thank you so much, Blathnaid. I'll let you know how I get on.
Yeah, let me know how you get on, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna go say thank you so much, Blathnaid. Tá gruig shafoiduk agum. Why is she running away?
Okay, all right, see you, bye-bye. I can't wait to go to Macy's.